These crowds behind me are not here for the latest bargain sale. No, they're here at Changi Exhibition Centre for the Singapore Airshow 2010. As the biggest aerospace and defence exhibition this side of Asia, the public can catch the latest in aviation technology from over 40 countries during the 2 days that the airshow is open to the public. And there's always the crowd favourite, the spectacular aerobatic flying displays. Now it's time for me to get the best spot to catch my favourite part of the display. This is the first time the RSAF is showcasing an integrated aerial display of the F-16 and the Apache attack helicopter. For me, this is simply awesome.
Basically, I think the helicopter and when the plane, when they're flying very close together.
I like the F-16 and his loops and rolls.
And why is that?
Lots of noise and lots of speed.
The best part is definitely the acrobatic display. Knowing that our RSAF is that capable, I think it's absolutely amazing.
Well, I mean, I've always been a flight enthusiast, so coming to the air show basically just gives me the opportunity to see everything that I've always dreamed of doing myself. Yeah.
Well, I've had my fair share of sunshine, fast flying machines. And if you're wondering what to do tomorrow, Sunday, well, come catch the Air Force in action with the F-16 and Apache aerial tango at the Singapore Airshow 2010.